In this video we are going to see how to get the decimal part of a number. So let's say we have a number like this, 10, so the decimal part will be 0. If we have a number like this, 91.3, the decimal part will be 0.3. If we have a number like this, so let's say it's a negative number, we are just going to get the decimal part, so we just ignore the minus. So to do that, actually, so how we are going to approach this solution. So first of all, let's think about the solution before we write actual code. So let's say, first of all, if we have a number which is less than 0, meaning that it is negative, we can just use the absolute. So we can just find its absolute value and get the number. And we can do that by actually using a Python method which is built in, which is called abs. We can also do that. We can also alright, so we can also just check whether if a number is less than 0, then just multiply it with -1 so that we can turn a negative number to a positive. And so now the solution will be, let's say this is the input number, so we are going to get this number and subtract its integer part and get the decimal part. So how we are going to do it? So as you can see, we can when we convert a number, let's say this number, using the int, so we are only going to get this part, and then we can just subtract this from this and get this part. Okay, so let's implement this. Okay, so we can find if a number is negative, we can just do it like this, just multiply it by -1 so that we are removing the minus, because when we have a minus, when we have a negative number, we ignore the minus part. We only want to get the decimal part. Alright, so if it's negative, we just get this, we just multiply it with -1 so that it is going to be converted to a positive number. So as we see here in the solution, so we are going to do a subtraction. So let's say we are going to, so let's do a result here. So we are going to take the number here, n minus the int of n, and then this is the result, so we can just return this, and that's basically the solution. So let's test this. So let's say a is going to be get decimal part, so we can just try it with 1.1, let's say. So the result should be just 0.1. Yeah, that's correct. So let's try it with, I don't know, let's do it like this, whatever. So the result should be 0.341. So yeah, that's basically it.